Alright, Assembly Dojo. 10, rocket launch. Make the rocket launch when the countdown reaches 0. With art, you could also set the moment it finishes playing as a trigger. However, this can only be used when you have to set the art to play once. Remember that you can't use this trigger if the art is set to loop or hold. It not to beat the topic into the ground or anything, but to set a trigger for when a specific art has finished playing. You have to first set a trigger to identify which art, then use an ended at the finishes playing trigger.